So we are on hiking location. It's like 2 kilometers, not bad, like 1 mile and little over that. And you need to pay parking here, which is like 6 euros of 2 hours or so. 3 euros per hour. We are now at 360 meters high over the sea, and we still have like probably 100 meters at least to go up. We are bad in shape, bad shape. At least we are not in hurry because the sunset is next month, like in a month, 4 weeks from now. And it's even a little bit sunny. It actually gets more sunnier and the golden hour or hours is here. I just hope the sky isn't go all grey with us like it was yesterday. We are going on the top and the visibility has gone on sea mist. Hopefully it passes, or we need to go down on the darkness of midnight sun. We are now on 600 meters, over half kilometers high of the sea, still like probably 15 meters. We done it with the dog. 2 kilometers and 640 meters high, and the sea mist has taken all the way, not all, but like half, and we need to get down from here. It's pretty scary because it's like cliff to the death back there. It's time to head down, and it's scary, it's slippery, and we are the only ones here now. And that was the most beautiful drone flight probably ever I have done. I just missed some sunlight, but other than that it was awesome, but super scary. So you probably saw that before this clip, but anyhow, so beautiful. I need to get down and put it on my laptop before I make another flight, because I don't wanna lose that footage. I saw that in my phone, but that's like the 7020p small resolution version. Yeah, the good 4K is on my drone. Every route looks a little sketchy. Lulu the dog went up like, let's go, follow me. But we are going down. She is like, no, I follow you, you go first. It took us like 2 hours to get up and 1 hour break, taking time lapse and flying the drone. And probably down it takes us hour, I think. Well, we'll see, we are like less than halfway. So this was Segla, one of the 2 most popular hikes / mountains on Senja Islands in North Norway. Some say it's similar than Lofoten Islands, but for me Lofoten is Lofoten, this is Senja. They are little similar, but not really. Both are special their own kind, and I have still a lot of seeing on Senja tomorrow and maybe today, tonight or whatever. But one mountain hike per trip to Norway. I think this was my third trip and third mountain. First one to Lulu. The light always goes better during the midnight on like summertime in Norway, or actually in Finland too. It's funny thing, the summer nights. We survived on like halfway or something the steepest part, but it's still a long way down. But now the most terrible and life-threatening part is over. And I'm getting hungry and also a little bit tired and just a little bit maybe cold, even that it is warm, but I'm so sticky, stinky, smelly and wet from my sweat. Now I'm starting to free trap. Listen to this. I put plus 10 decibels on my microphone and listen. Only thing you hear is maybe waterfalls, nothing else. That behind me is literal midnight sun in Senja, Norway. Seems like they need new land, so they make it on from the mountains. Probably new harbor from the large cruise ships. What is this place? This is like the ice sea. Like that's the almost northern part of Norway. I got it steady on sand. Hopefully it doesn't rain and we get away from here in the morning. We have these slippery thingies that you put under the tire that you get off like ice and mud or sand.